Hi guys, we're down at the source of the water leaks now. This is a three-story block of flats. I am now in the top floor flat with the resident who's informed me that this has been like this now for the past 8 months, since winter, and it's still not being repaired. I'm going to cover the camera in a second, but you'll still hear me while I'm walking out, yeah? And we're going to show you some more damage. So, just cover that, so I don't want to get you and everything in it, yeah? So, we're going back outside now.
Thank you for your time.
Yeah.
Thank you.
We're still on the top floor, but if I zoom up there, you can actually see the windows falling out. I'll turn that round better that way. Yeah. Right, now we're going to go downstairs to the middle flat. The middle flat.
Thank you.
So, again, we're going to go into a bedroom.
It's audio unlocked.
Yeah. Right, so this is directly below the radiator upstairs. So, you can see all the staining on the ceiling. You can see all this. And, yeah, there's water. That is soaking wet. And the young ladies who lives in this apartment has informed me that she's had to buy new bedding because of the damp and mould. So we're going to come out of the bedroom now. As you can see, the full length. Yeah, we're going to go into the kitchen to see some more leaks. Don't worry about that.
Sorry.
Yeah, so now let's see if we can get that. I don't know if you can see, but there is water. There is water. Yeah. So we've got an electrical appliance with water leaking out of it, and while I am looking at this, I don't actually see any earth bonding on this pipework, so maybe a specialist will have to come in. But just to show you the damp, we're going to pan round. There we go. As you can see, the blinds damaged because of the damp. Yeah. I'm just going to go back to this little thing here. Now, I'm just going to cover that up with the address, yeah. This is the fire risk, right? And this is supported housing northwest, i.e. this is for these properties of people who require additional support. So do you think it's safe to put people in with water running down the walls from the top floor? Now we're going to go down to the bottom floor if it's okay.
Yes, that's fine. What's issues in?
Yep, I'll let you go out.
Yeah, no worries. Don't forget this window, darling.
Yeah, I'll get that for you now. Yep. So, this is another window falling out, I take it. Yep, as you can see, let me just zoom up there.
It's a lady from upstairs, sweetheart.
Everything
I've got health and safety here.
is falling out.
Your bathroom? Your toilet? Colin, she said
Yep, no worries. Right, we are going downstairs now.
Sorry.
To the ground floor flat.
Health and safety,
Yep. Where's the bathroom?
This way.
Yep.
Watch the floor because it's soaked. You watch the floor. Yeah, it is still.
Right. Oh my God. This is absolutely terrible. You can see the mould. Even the floor is soaking wet. And that's running out of this light here, is it?
It was before, I don't know if it's still is.
So there you go, yeah. We've got water running through electrical appliances, yeah, where any of these residents can be electrocuted. So this will be getting sent to Tom Ross, Trafford Council leader, and it will also be sent to Andrew Weston MP. No, they're always going on how good their council are and how good they're going to do this. This should put you to shame.